Okay,
Kota
Bhavya.
Bhagini joined. Yeah,
Yeah, please. Prarthana vadatu.
sure, ma'am. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada Gururbrahma Gururvishnu Gurudevo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Punattu Sahaviryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनामधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः
Swagatam, Suprabhatam cha. So, today class we will see Kena. See, Kena is called Tritiya Vibhakti. So, we have seen Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, and
Yeah.
this is
Panchami, Shashti,
Panchami,
Saptami Vibhakti.
Shashti, Saptami also we have seen.
Yeah.
In, so
Yeah.
Grame, Nagare, Grihe, all those are Saptami Vibhakti, which is location. So this is called Kena. Kena is an instrument. Kena is instrument. Instrument is by which. So Prathama we say Ramaha.
Rama. Yeah.
And Dvitiya is Ramam. And Tritiya is Ramena.
Ramena.
Kena Ramena. By whom? So this is Kena we are going to see. Now, how it changes? Kena Pullinge Ekavachane, how it changes? Ramaha Ramena, Balakaha Balakena, Chashakaha Chashakena.
Shakena.
So we know, see, Balakaha Balakena, the Nakara you must watch. And whereas Ramaha Ramena, why?
Because there is Ra and
Yes,
yeah,
Refa. There
Refa.
is
Refa has
Refa.
come.
And in Chashakaha, Shakara is there.
Shakara has come. Yeah.
So there we have seen Natvam occurs.
Natvam. Yeah.
Right? So keeping that in mind, very good. And now, Strilinge, Ekvachane, how it changes. Now Ramaha becomes Ramena, Balakaha becomes Balakena, whereas in Strilinga, Sita, Sitaya.
Yeah.
We should not say Sitaya, then the Vibhakti will change. Sitaya, Mala, Malaya,
Malaya.
Lekani, Lekanya. So the question is Kaya. In Strilinge, we ask Kaya. The question word is Kaya.
Kaya.
Whereas in Pullinge, what the question word is?
Kena.
Kena. Kena and Kaya. Now, Napumsakalinge, Ekvachane, Pustakam, Palam, Kandukam, Kandukena, Palam, Palena, Vimanam, Vimanena.
Manena.
So, like pullingavat bhavati napumsakalingam api. Kandukam kandukena,
Kena.
palam palena,
Palena.
vimanam vimanena, and the Prashna word is kena. Like pullinga, here also napumsaka. So we know the question word for Tritiya Vibhakti is pullinge kena. The answer will be Ramena, Balakena, Chamasena, Chashakena, like that. And in Strilinga, Khaya, Sitaya, Malaya. Khaya, the question word is. And in Napumsakalinge, again,
Kena.
Kena, like Pullingavat, Kandukena, Palena, Vimanena, Bhavati. Now, how it changes in Bahuvachane. Bahuvachanam, how they change. Palikaha chamasaihi bhojanam kadanti. Malini patati va?
अस्तु महोदय। केन पुल्लिङ्गे बहुवचने बालिकाः चमसैः भोजनं खादन्ति। The girls eat food with spoons. जननी दीपैः पूज्यति. Mother does puja with lamps. शिक्षकः सुधाखण्डैः लिखति. The teacher writes with chalkpieces.
So the change is Balakaha chamasena bhojanam khadati. Singular, right? Balakaha chamasena bhojanam khadati. Now, Strilinge balikaha chamasaihi bhojanam khadanti.
Yeah, the question should be Kaya, ma'am. It says Kena Pullinge Bahuvachane, but it is Strilinga.
Balikaha. Just for the moment, we say chamasaihi. Chamasena is singular. Chamasaihi is bahuvachana. Right?
Yeah.
Chamasena is now Deepaihi. What is the singular form for Deepaihi?
Deepaha.
Deepe. No, Deepena.
Deepena. Deepaha is Pullingam.
Pullinga.
Deepaha. So it will be
Okay.
Deepena.
Pena.
And Sudha Kandaihi. What is Ekvachanam for Sudha Kandaihi?
Sudha Kandena.
Yes. Sudha Kandena.
Kandena.
Sudha Kandena. Sudha Kandaihi. Deepaha. Deepena. Deepaihi. Chamasaha. Chamasena. Chamasaihi. Right?
Yeah.
So don't forget the singular. Side by side, keep it in mind, learn. Chamasena, chamasaihi. Deepena, deepaihi. So you should know Deepaha, Chamasaha, Sudhakandaha, they all Pullingam. Right? So we have to keep in mind Lingam and Vachanam. Chamasaihi is Bahuvachanam. Chamasena is singular Ekavachanam. So please keep that in mind. And with that, now see, Chamasaha is Pullinga Ekavachanam. So for that, Chamasaha Pratama Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti will be Chamasaihi. And Deepaha is Pullingaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Deepaihi. Sudha Kandaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam Pullingaha Sudha Kandaihi. So we have to keep in mind whether it is Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga first. Second, ekavachanam, bahuvachanam. That so chamasaha is so vachanam, lingaham, vachanam, and then vibhakti. These three things we have to keep in mind when we do a sentence, when we read a sentence. Now, for example, you see in this balikaha chamasaihi bojanam kadanti. Now, if we analyze this sentence, balikaha is prathama vibhakti. What is the vachana of this?
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. And what is the linga?
Akaranta strilinga.
Akaranta strilinga. Then chamasaihi is
pullinga tritiya vibhakti.
pullinga tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam.
And bojanam.
Bojanam is
Dvitiya vibhakti
napumsakalinga.
Very good. Dvitiya vibhakti napumsakalingam ekavachanam bojanam.
Akaranta napumsakalingaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
Samyak, uttamam. So like that, kadanti is kriya padam, bahuvachanam, lat lakara. See, in one sentence, how much we learn. So this is how you have to analyze each sentence and you will learn so quickly. Take out a sentence. Start now. Balikaha, akarantaha, strilingaha, bahuvachanam, balika, chamasaihi, chamasaha, akarantaha, pullingaha, chamasaha, ekavachanam. And chamasaihi is tritiya vibhakti, we can say. And bojanam is Napumsakalingaha ekavachanam bojanam. Kadanti is kriya padam, lat lakara bahuvachanam. Like that. Now, Malini Mahode, Anya ka.
We should say Prathama Purusha also, right, ma'am? Kadanti. Prathama Purushaha Bahuvachanam Lat Lakara.
Lat lakara. Now, can we analyze the second sentence? Janani deepaihi pujayati. Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. Janani. Yeah, Janani is ikaranta strilinga bahuvachana. Ikaranta. Oh, thank you, Lakshmi. Ikaranta strilinga bahuvachana. Ikaranta strilinga ekavachana will be Janani.
Okay.
And Deepaihi is Pullinga bahuvachana tritiya vibhakti.
Very good.
Deepena will be Pullinga ekavachana tritiya vibhakti. And Pujayati is kriya padam bahuvachana.
Okay.
Pujayanti should come, no ma'am. Janani
no, she is doing
Janani
Pujayati.
Pujayati.
Eka karyameva karati.
Janani is doing the puja, so it's Janani Pujayati.
Janani Pujayati. So she is only one karyam karoti. Ataha. Tataha it is. So like that, Goda Bagini, can you say Shikshakaha Sudha Kandaihi Likati?
Shikshakaha Akaranta Pullinga Ekavachana. Sudha Kandaihi Bahuvachana.
Lingam
Akaranta
कः लिङ्गः?
पुल्लिङ्गः.
वेरी गुड. पुल्लिङ्गः. वचनं?
वचनं बहुवचनं.
विभक्ति?
विभक्ति तृतीया विभक्ति.
वक्तव्यम्. अकारान्तः, सुधाखण्डः, पुल्लिङ्गः, तृतीया विभक्ति, बहुवचनम्.
लिखति इस् लट् लकार.
लिखति इस् लट् लकार, एकवचनम्.
प्रथमपुरुष.
Yeah. So this is how we can analyze each sentence and learn, which will be very helpful for us. Now chamasaha becomes chamasaihi. Bahuvachane kena pullinge rupam. This is question word will be kaihi. Chamasaha chamasaihi. दीपः दीपैः, सुधाखण्डः सुधाखण्डैः. Kena is singular form of question word and kaihi will be bahuvachanam question prashna word. Bahuvachanam kaihi. Now let us do some abhyasa. Here we have 3 columns, so we have to match and make a meaningful sentence, keeping in all the aspects what we saw in the previous sentences. Now, who will try? Lakshmi Behini?
Shall I?
Yeah.
Mahodaya, I will try. Oh, sorry, go ahead. Malini, Bhagini, go ahead. I'll do the next one.
Okay. Gajaha padaihi chalati.
Very good. Now you will say padaihi kim vachana?
Padaihi bahuvachana rupa of pada.
Padaha bahuvachana is given. Padaihi chalati. Chalati is ekavachanam kalu. But you will ask why. But chalana karyam ekameva asti. That is why.
Gaja is one. No.
Yeah, Gajaga is one, but Gajaga has got 4 padas. Kalu?
Okay. Got it.
Gajaga doesn't have 1 leg. It is walking with 4 legs.
Okay.
That is why we say Padaihi Chalati. Now you will say 4 legs are there. Why it is Chalati? Chalati is ekavachanam kalu?
Correct.
Gajaha chalati.
Gajaha chalati. Yeah, one elephant.
Gajaga chalati, gajaga chalanti.
Gajaha chalanti.
Kalu, but if you take some people will ask, Madam, Padaihi is Bahuvachanam. It should be Chalanti. But Chalana Karyam Ekam.
Oh, because
we
subject
eat
verb will follow the subject.
We eat so many items in the Bhojanam. But Kadati eva. Kalu, Kadanasya Karyam Kriya Ekam. So that is why Gajaha Padaihi Chalati. Yes. Lakshmi Behini.
Bhaktaha dhupaihi pujang kurvanti.
Yes. Good. Can you tell now why you have made this sentence?
Bhaktaha is the bahuva. No. First one. Prathama purushaha pullingaha ekavachanam. Sorry. Bahuvachanam. Not purusha, I am missing. Sorry. Prathama vibhakti bhaktaha bahuvachanam. Correct? And that is relating to kurvanti. Bhaktaha kurvanti. But bhaktaha kim kurvanti? Pujam kurvanti. Kena kurvanti? Dhupaihi, which is bahuvachanam of the dhupaha prathama vibhakti but it is given here as dhupaha, which is the bahuvachanam of dhupaha. So tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam is dhupaihi.
Very good, very good. Because it is given dupaha. If it is given dupaha, how will we use the sentence?
Dhupena.
Very good.
Bhaktaha dhupena pujam kurvanti.
So we have to see dupaha is bahuvachanam, bhaktaha is also bahuvachanam. Bhaktaha dupaihi pujam kurvanti. So kurvanti is latulakara. Puja is
One doubt,
tritiya.
ma'am.
Sorry?
When it becomes singular, bhaktaha dupena pujam kurvanti or
Karoti.
kurutaha?
Karoti.
Karoti.
Karoti kurutaha
Kuru
kurvanti.
dhatu latulakare karoti.
Karoti.
Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Okay.
Yeah. Correct?
क्रियापदं कर्तारम् अनुगच्छति.
Samyak. Goda Bhagini, next vadati va?
आम् 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 महोदय. सेवकः हस्तैः भोजनं
सेवकः दण्डैः
सेवकः किं करोति?
हस्तैः जलम् आनयति.
सम्यक्. सेवकः सेवां करोति. ततः सेवकः
हस्तैः न आनयति. चषकैः जलम् आनयति.
घटैः
घटैः.
There is one more. You have to see the third column. There is one.
सेवकः आनयति.
Anayati is samyak. Because sevakah jalam anayati. Kaihi anayati.
Chashakaihi.
Na ghataihi. Because the next one you see, vayam is there, pibami is there.
Vayam is there and jalam pibamaha is there.
So chashaka will fit there.
Yeah.
But in general, even chashak, I mean, I know it's a cup.
Even we can say chashak.
Because his sevakaha is brought me a glass of water.
But
if he brings water in a chashakam, then it will become hastena jalam.
No.
Yes. Chashakam you need not use two hands. Only one hand is sufficient.
Both are right. Lakshmi Bahini, both are right. Sevakaha chashakaihi jalamanayati. Sevakaha gataihi jalam anayati. That is also correct. We can bring, because we have no other word to fit into gata.
No, gataihi
jalam
pibamaha. Gataihi, you bring two gatas at one time, is it?
No.
Yeah, he might be bringing so many gatas.
My thing is what you know, it is six rows. So 6 rows means you need not repeat the same one. So the gata will fit to the sevaka and the chashaka will fit to vayam.
We don't have to go very literally. Whether he brings chashakena, kupyena, kupya, kupibihi.
It's the understanding, no?
Yeah,
it's the understanding.
Just we are making sentences.
Yeah,
here, since we have to fit in six subjects are there, verbs are there, so we have to fit in this. Now, next
understanding, I think we can fit both into the
gataihi and chashakaihi. Now, the next is vayam, Asmad Shabdaha Vayam. So
Vayam chashakaihi jalam pibamaha.
That is perfect. It fits.
But again,
So we can say even Gataihi Jalam Pibamah.
yes, Kakah pibati khalu. Kakah pibati. So
Gataihi api jalam
Ahamapi ghatena
pitum
pibami.
shaknumah.
Shaknumah.
Yes.
In olden times, we used to have small
gattas.
surabis.
Yeah,
True.
yeah,
True.
yeah.
True.
In Delhi, I used to feel that a small surai
It has the
handle.
key, this one also. My mom
It
had
has got
given me one.
surai mein pani leke peete the. So that is also a gata. So it is possible. Next, Bhavya, Bharatiyaha.
भारतीयाः हस्तैः भोजनं खादन्ति
Okay.
Bharatiyaha.
भारतीयाः हस्तै भारतीयाः is बहुवचन याः आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग and hastaihi is tritiya vibhakti pullinga bahuvachanam.
Ma'am, is it strilinga or pullinga? Bharatiyaha. I know it says
Bharatiyaha.
No. The question is it Bharatiya or Bharatiyah? Bharat like Ramaha.
Bharatiyaha. Bahuvachanam kalu. Bharatiyaha.
No. I understand it's Bahuvachanam. The question is, what is the linga of that word? Bhavya Bhagni said Strilinga. Isn't it? Is it Pullinga?
Bharatiyaha. Bharatiyaha. I think it is Bharatiyaha Pullinga.
Okay.
Bharatiyaha.
Bharati will be Strilinga.
Bharatiyaha Pullinga.
It is there, so it is.
It can be Pullinga also. Bharatiyaha. Bharatiyaha. It is Strilinga, if I am correct. I'll check. Bharatiyaga is the Strilinga.
So then what is the
Ikaranta
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam then?
Bharatiyaha.
Huh?
Bharatiyaha. 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 Bharatiyaha.
Matihi, like
no, this
Matihi?
Bharatiyaha, the Ikaranta will be Rasva. Bharatiyaha.
It is Ikaranta Strilinga, not Ikaranta Strilinga.
Bharatiyaha. Bharatiyaha.
Then it is not Akara. So it is like
Yes.
Mati Shabda. It
Mati
is like
Shabda.
Mati Shabda.
Mativat. Yes.
Okay.
So Bharatiyaha. Bharatiyaha.
But madam, I'll tell you, it is not. So Matihi Mati Matayaha, no? So if it is Bharatihi.
See, Mati is Takaranta.
No, Ikaranta.
Ikaranta,
Mati. Yeah, Mati.
Mati is Ikaranta, ma'am. That much
Mati Ikaranta.
But
it should be Bharati.
Bharati,
I'm sure. Bharatiyaha. This Rasva will be.
Maybe Bharatiyaha is a Akaranta Pullinga. So Bharatiyaha, Bharatiyahu, Bharatiyaha, I don't know. I'm guessing now.
Bharatiyaha is Sakaranta. I think it should be Pullinga or let us check. Okay, you also check.
How do we check? No, I confused.
Yeah.
In Sanskrit dictionary, we can just check.
Oh, okay, good idea.
Next is by the time.
Yeah.
Deepak Mahodaya is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Arakshakaha. So, what is the sentence now left? Arakshakaha.
Dandaihi. Is it Danda word?
Dandaha. Dandaihi.
Choran Thadayanti.
Choran Thadayanti.
Choran Thadayanti. Choran Thadayanti. So, anybody could get what is Bharatiyaha? Bharatiyaha.
Just searching, ma'am.
So Bharatiyaha is Indian. It is Bharatiyaha. Saha Bharatiyaha.
That T must be Rasva.
No,
Bharatiyah.
no, no. Tiyah. No, Bharatiyah. Dirgha.
Acha.
So
Bharatiyah.
here
Is it
also,
akaranta pullinga or
it
strilinga?
is akaranta pullinga.
Pullinga.
Akarantaha pullinga. Atkaranta pullinga.
So
So
you
Bharatiyah, Bharatiyau,
Bharatiyaga.
Bharatiyaha. Okay.
Yeah. It is not like Mati. Mati is not.
Bharat, maybe it is Bharatihi then. Bharatihi.
Bharat Bharatiyah.
I'm
Bharat
saying
This is
Bharat.
maybe
not
Mati
coming.
Shabda will be Bharati, Bharatihi, Bharati, Bharatayaha maybe. I don't know.
It is not
Now
coming.
If
this
it is Bharatiya,
No, not. It is Bharatiyaha. That's the word. Indian.
that is singular. Bharatiyaha.
Singular.
Bharatiyaga is Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Yes. So
Now
it is a Karanta Pullinga.
Pullinga. So that is
Okay.
Spashtam. Idanim Kena Pullinge Bahuvachane Kaihi. So wherever we have to buy with what? Kaihi is the Bahuvachanam of Kena. Kena is singular. Kaihi is Bahuvachanam. And by what Pullinge? Balikaha Kaihi Bhojanam Kadanti.
Balikaha Chamasaihi Bhojanam Khadanti.
Kadanti. Balikaha Chamasaihi Bhojanam Kadanti. Janani Kaihi Pujayati.
Janani Deepaihi Pujayati.
Sikshakaha Kaihi Likati.
Shikshakaha Sudhakhandaihi Likhati.
Likati.
So if the question word Kaihi comes, it is Tritiya Vibhakti, then we have to use Chamasaihi, Deepaihi, Sudhakhandaihi. So Kena is singular and Kaihi is Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
So that is now Kena Strilinge Bahuvachane. So we saw Kena singular, Malaya, Kalu. Like now, how it changes in Bahuvachanam. Chatraha Divichakrikabihi Gachanti. Dvichakrikabihi. So Dvichakrika is what linga? What is that?
Akaranta
Akaranta.
Strilinga.
So
Akaranta
Dvichakrika bi. Kabihi. Visarga is also there. Chatraha Dvichakrikabihi Gachanti. Chatraha. The students go by bicycles. Here, the subject is also Bahuvachanam and Dvichakrika also Bahuvachanam, Kriya Padam also in Bahuvachanam. See, all should match. Subject, object, verb,
So the question,
everything. Yes.
ma'am, the question will be Kabhihi then. It
Yeah,
says Kena
Kabihi.
Strilinga Bahuvachane, but it
Yes,
will be
Kabihi.
Kabhihi.
Kabihi.
Kabhihi
The
Gachanti.
question will be Kabihi. So
And then
the
it's easier
moment
then to remember the
Kena, Kaihi, Kabihi. Right? So Kabihi
Kaya,
means you can say Strilinga. Bahuvachanam. You
Kaya
have to
also.
make. Yeah, Kaya.
Oh,
Kaya
oh.
is singular and Kabihi is Bahuvachanam Strilinga. So you have to Kena Kaihehi for Pullinga Ekvachanam and Bahuvachanam. Kaya Kabihi is Strilinga
Ekavachanam,
Bahuvachanam. Please keep it in mind. And Patativa, Ka Patati, Mahila.
Aham Patami. Mahila Malabhihi Alankaroti. महिला काभिः अलङ्करोति, महिला मालाभिः अलङ्करोति.
Next also, Lakshmi.
बालिका लेखनीभिः, बालिका काभिः लिखति, बालिका लेखनीभिः लिखति.
Likati. So now you know what is Strilinga question word for Tritiya Vibhakti in Ekvachanam and Bahuvachanam, right? See, Dvichakrika bihi, Mala bihi, Lekani bihi. Now you tell me Ekvachanam for Dvichakrika.
द्विचक्रिकाया
द्विचक्रिकया
द्विचक्रिकया Oh,
मालया
kaya.
द्विचक्रिकया
Malaya, Lekanya, like that.
So Lekhani follows the Nadi Shabda, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Nadya, like Nadya, Lekhanya.
Lekanya. So side by side, when we learn Bhagavachanam, don't forget Ekvachanam. Please, side by side, do the simultaneous exercise so that you will not forget. Now, Kena Strilinge Abhyasaha. So the three columns. Paryatakaha, Vayam, Bhavantaha, Rugnaha, Apanikaha, Sainikaha, Lekanyaha, Tulaha, Gadaha, Naukaha, Vaidyaha, Kupyaha. So the middle column you see, just note it. And jalam pibamaha chikitsam prapnoti nadim taranti yuddham kurvanti tolayanti likhantu. These are the words. Now let us make sentence. Malini Magodaya.
पर्यटकाः नौकाभिः नदीं तरन्ति. पर्यटकः is प्रथम पुरुष.
Goda Bagini, mute madhye bhavatu kripaya. Kripaya, yes. Idanim vadatu Malini Bagini.
पर्यटकाः नौकाभिः नदीं तरन्ति.
Samyak. So
पर्यटकः
Kabihi,
नौकाभिः तृतीय
Kabihi,
विभक्ति of
Nadim Taranti, Paryatakaga, Naukabihi, Nadim Taranti. Right? So, what is the singular form? Paryatakaha, Kena Nadim Taranti.
पर्यटकः नौकेन नदीं तरति.
Naukena va?
नौकया सकारान्त आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग नौका.
Malini Magodaya.
Okay.
Let her say.
Correct, ma'am.
Paryatakaha Naukaya Nadim Tarati. So the whole sentence.
Paryatakaha whole is in singular.
Yeah. So make an attempt to write the sentences in singular also. Right? Kena Kabihi. Right? And Kaya Kabihi. Kena Kaihi and Kaya Kabihi. Here it is, we are Strilinga. Right? So please side by side make a singular sentence and Bhagavachanaya also. Yes. Bhavya vadatu. Next.
Yeah. Vayam. Kupyabihi it comes.
Kupyabi.
Kupyabihi jalam pibamaha.
No, not
Kupibihi.
Kupibihi.
Nadi.
It is
like
Kupibihi. Kupibihi.
Oh, Kupibihi. Kupibihi. P. Small P. हाँ
No, dirgha.
Dirghapi.
Kupibhihi.
Dirghapi.
Kupibhihi. Nadibhihi. That's the way I remember.
Yeah.
Kupibhihi.
Kupibihi.
Kupi,
no, it's
kupya,
matibhihi, right?
No. It is, it's,
matyabhyam matibhihi.
no, this is
Matibhihi.
kupi.
See.
This is not kupi. It's not kupi. Kupi.
Oh, Gauri
Dirgha, no?
Shabda it follows.
It follows Nadi Shabda.
Nadi, Gauri.
The
Yeah.
word is Kupi.
Dirgha,
It's
ma'am.
not
Correct?
Kupi, is Dirgha Ikaranta.
Oh, I thought
So
E. Okay.
Kupibihi.
Kupibihi. Yeah. Vayam kupibihi jalam pibamaha.
Yeah. Singular.
So,
Ekavachane
singular
vadatu.
is vayam kupim.
Vayam also you will change it into singular. Asmat Shabdaha.
Aham.
Uttama Purushaha.
Aham. Yeah. Asmat Shabdaha Uttama Purushaha Pratama.
Aham.
Aham. Aham. Kupyam.
No.
Gauri.
Kupya.
Aham kupya jalam pibami.
Okay, I'll try again, ma'am.
Asmad, it will, aham will be, ma'am, not Uttama Purusha, but aham will be, when we
That's
say
Sarvanama
aham,
Shabda. Sarvanama Shabda.
Sarvanama Shabda.
Yeah, it is not Uttama Purusha,
Asmad.
it is Asmat Shabda, Sarvanama Shabda.
Pibami will be the Uttama Purusha.
Pibami will be Uttama Purusha. Right? Bhavya, you got it?
Yeah. Pibami.
So try to write in singular also, like that you can. Yes. Next, Lakshmi Baini. Bhavantaha.
Bhavantaha. Lekhanyo, lekhanyaha. So that will be Ikaranta. Lekhanibhihi. Bhavantaha lekhanibhihi likhantu.
Likhantu. Very good.
Bhavantaha. Correct.
Bhavantaha. It is.
Lekhanibhihi likhantu.
Yeah.
It's the Bahuvachana.
Bhavan Shabdasya Bahuvachanam Bhavantaha. Yeah. Bhavan.
So Bhavan lekhanya likhatu.
Likatu. Very good. Bhavan lekanya likatu. Bhavantaha.
Lekhanibhihi. Bhavantaha lekhanibhihi likhantu.
What is the singular of lekanyaha? Lekanyam.
Lekani.
No. Nadi.
Bhavataha.
Lekhani. Lekhanya. Nadya, like Nadya, Lekhanya.
Lekanya.
Lekhanya.
Malaya. Sitaya. Malini Mahodaya. Got it?
Okay. Got
Malaya,
it.
Sitaya, Dvichakrikaya.
Ya is
Lekhanya.
is it
Lekanya.
only to if we remove the visarga, that's it. That ya, not ya. Okay.
Yeah, there is no visarga. Lekanya.
Got it.
Yeah. Goda Bhagini vadati va? Rugnaha. अस्ति वा गोदा Bhagini?
आम् महोदय. रुग्णः वैद्याः
वा
वैद्यैः रुग्णः वैद्यैः वैद्याभिः चिकित्सां
प्राप्नोति. So Rugnaha Vaidyabihi Chikitsam Prapnoti. Ekvachane vadatu.
Rugnaha Vaidyena.
No. Vaidyena will come. Vaidyena when it comes Ena.
Tritiya.
Ramena. It is Vaidyaha.
Vaidyaha. Rugnaha Vaidyaha. Na? You have to make it Tritiya, no?
Yeah. Vaidyaha, it is Bahuvachane asti. Bhavati Ekavachane vadatu. Rugnaha Vaidyaya.
Vaidyaya. Vaidyayaha. Vaidyaya.
Chikitsam.
Chikitsam.
Vaidyabihi. Vaidyabihi. Vaidyabihi is Bahuvachanam. Vaidyaya is Ekavachanam.
So, ma'am, Vaidya is an Akaranta Strilinga, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So there are two ways. I remember you had given us in WhatsApp. I'd asked you about doctor, and you had given us these two words. I remember very well. You
Yes.
said Vaidya
Lady doctor and male doctor.
Yes. Thank you. That's why I could see Gota Bhagni getting confused with Vaidya and Vaidya.
Vaidyaga. It can be lady
Vaidyaha
doctor, it can be male doctor. Vaidyaga, Vaidyaga, Vaidyayaga. So
it will be Vaidyayaha.
Yeah.
No, Vaidyaya, correct? Nadya or Malaya. So Vaidyaya is the
Vaidyaya.
Prathama. That will be the Ekavachanam Tritiya Vibhakti.
Ekavachanam Tritiya Vibhakti Strilinge.
Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga. Tritiya Vibhakti.
So here in Bahuvachane Vaidyabihi.
Vaidyabihi.
Next, Apanikaga.
I have one doubt.
Yeah.
So Bharatiya. Supposing I want to tell Bhavya is Bhavya Bharatiya. You can tell Bharatiyaha. You cannot tell, no?
Yeah, Bhavya is Bharatiya.
So Bharatiya has both Pullinga and Strilinga, I think. Like Vaidya.
Yeah, because if it is a male member, you must say he is Bharatiya. If she is...
Yeah, that's what I am telling.
Yeah.
Vaidya, Bharatiya also has both Pullinga and Strilinga.
Yeah, we can use according to Bhavya is Bharatiya. Sorry, Bharatiya. And male member, he is Bharatiya. You can say.
So it has both the lingas.
Both the lingas according to usage, right?
Yes.
Now, Apanikaha. Yes. Lakshmi Baini vadati va? Bhavya vadatu. Bhavya vadatu.
Oh, okay. Apanikaha tulabihi tolayanti.
Yes. Tulabihi tolayanti. Tulabihi, you all know. Balance.
Yeah.
Weighing machine.
Weighing, yeah.
So,
Apanikaha tulaya.
Apanikaha.
Apanikaha tulaya or tulaya? Tulaya.
Tulaya.
Malaya.
Tulaya. Tolayati. Right?
Apanikaha tulaya tolayati.
Yes. Sainikaha. Lakshmi beginning.
Sainikaha Gadabhihi Yuddham Kurvanti.
Okay. Ekvachane.
Sainikaha Gadaya Yuddham Karoti.
Samyak. So now you know Ekvachanam Strilinga Shabda Kena Kaibihi. The Prussian word is Kabihi. Kabihi. By with what? Kabihi. Chatraga काभिः गच्छन्ति छात्राः द्विचक्रिकाभिः गच्छन्ति. Don't forget that visarga, which is very important. द्विचक्रिकाभिः गच्छन्ति. महिला काभिः अलङ्करोति. महिला मालाभिः अलङ्करोति. मालाभिः. मालया मालाभिः. द्विचक्रिकया द्विचक्रिकाभिः. बालिका काभिः लिखति. बालिका लेखन्या लिखति. लेखनीभिः लिखति. So, ekavachana, bahuvachana, rupani. Now, napumsakalinga. We have seen pullinge, ekavachane, bahuvachane of kena rupam. And we have seen strilinga of kaya, kabihi, tritiya vibhakti. Now, इदानीं नपुंसकलिंगे बहुवचने केन कथं बालकाः कन्दुकैः क्रीडन्ति. कन्दुकैः एकवचनरूपं वदतु. कन्दुकैः.
कन्दुकेन.
एकवचनरूपं किम्?
कन्दुकेन.
कंदुकेन. कंदुका. What is the shabda of kandukena?
कन्दुकः.
Kandukam.
अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गः
Kandukam.
कन्दुकं.
Kandukam.
Yeah, कन्दुकं.
So kandukam is
Kandukam.
akaranta napumsakalinga. Kandukam.
कन्दुकं कन्दुके कन्दुकानि.
Kandukani. So balakaha kandukena kridati. Right? Balakaha kandukaihi kridanti. Please write both the forms and learn. Balakaha kandukena kridati. Balakaha kandukaihi kridanti. Balakaha kena kridati.
कन्दुकैः क्रीडति.
बालकः कन्दुकेन क्रीडन्ति.
Yes.
क्रीडति.
Yes.
केन. Sorry.
कन्दुकेन क्रीडति.
Balaka. I said kena.
केन.
I didn't say kabi.
कैः.
Kabihi.
कैः.
Balakaha kena kridati. Balakaha kandukena kridati. Balakaha kaihi kridanti.
बालकाः कन्दुकैः क्रीडन्ति.
So the plural form of kena is kaihi. The moment the question kaihi is there, you must say it is akaranta pullinga or napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga also follows the format of pullingavat. And only kaya kabihi comes means
कया काभिः is स्त्रीलिंग.
Strilinga, kaya is ekavachanam,
ekavachanam,
kabihi is bahuvachanam.
bahuvachanam.
So keep these things in mind. The moment kaya kabihi, it is strilinga, ekavachanam, bahuvachanam. Kena, kaihi. That is ekavachanam, bahuvachanam of pullinga and napumsakalinga. Yuvati pushpaihi malam rachayati. Yuvati pushpaihi malam rachayati. So here pushpaihi. What is the singular form of pushpaihi?
Pushpam.
पुष्पेण.
Pushpena.
Pushpena.
Nakara.
Nakara.
Because shakara is there.
Shakaram.
युवती पुष्पैः मालां रचयति. युवती पुष्पैः
पुष्पे
मालां रचयति. Right? Now the young girl makes garland with flowers. Janaga vimanaihi prayanam kurvanti. Janaga vimanaihi prayanam kurvanti. Ekavachanam vadatu.
जनाः
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 विमानेन
जनाः विमानेन प्रयाणं
प्रयाणं
कुर्वन्ति.
कुर्वन्ति.
जनाः
जनाः
विमानेन
विमानैः.
जनः
How,
विमानेन
ma'am?
प्रयाणं
जनाः
करोति
विमानेन प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति.
कुर्वन्ति.
जनः
So you can say there
yeah
janaha
correct Lakshmi ma'am
vimanena. By flight
जनः
they
विमानेन
travel.
प्रयाणं
By
करोति
flights.
karoti
So vimanaihi kaihi. So this is the, I think by this time, kandukam kandukaihi, pushpam pushpaihi, vimanam vimanaihi, kandukena pushpena vimanena.
विमानेन
That is
नकार
the singular form. Side by side, don't forget to learn the singular form. Now, napumsakalinga vakyani nirmanam kurmaha. So, Bhavya, arambam karotu. Krishakaha kim karoti?
पुस्तकानि no कृषकाः maybe पुष्पाणि
Pustakani,
हलानि हले हल्
पुष्पाणि, पुष्पाणि, लोकयानानि, हलानि, फलानि. कृषकः भवती जानाति खलु?
कृषकः is farmer कृषकाः फलानि will be फलानैः
फलानिः वा हलानि वा? कृषकः हल् किं भवति?
फलं right फलं फले फलानि and
before that there is a word halani.
Halani.
Halaihi.
Oh, halani. What is halani, ma'am? I don't know what's halani.
Halani is plow Bhavya. That the air உழுகிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவா தெரியுமா? The farmer plows the field.
தெரியும். Okay. So
now you got it. That's why I was repeatedly telling before that Phalani, Halani.
Halani. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. So Krishakaha okay. Halanaihi.
Okay, what will you do for phala? Phalam, look at the Napunsakalinga table for phalam. So what is the Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam for phalam?
Halaihi.
So halani will be, so pushpani became, there you go. That's it.
Yeah.
Halaihi.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Halaihi. Okay.
Krishakaha halena karshati. Krishakaha halena karshati. Krishakaha
halaihi. Sorry. Krishakaha halaihi karshanti. Krishakaha halena karshati.
Yes. Okay. Clear now?
Yeah, clear, man.
You will say phalam also.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe phalam. Okay. Oh, for Krishakaha only phalam also you want me to add?
Don't say
No,
Krishakaha. Okay. Now leave him alone. Take somebody for the phalam.
Use
Okay.
phalani is
Mahila
what,
and
use another sentence, but use phalani is what madam
Yes.
okay,
is saying.
name is
Yes.
Bhavati. I'll take Bhavati because Chhatra will be Lekanyani.
Fine.
Lekaya Nani. Chatraha.
No.
Yeah. Chatraha is usually with Lekani, no?
That
Lekani
is
illa ani
Lokayanam,
idirallo
No,
Bhavani.
not
Leka
Lekani.
Lokayanani.
Lokayanani.
Nana,
Oh,
Chatra will fit into Pustaka.
Yes, Bhagya Bhagini
Chhatra
did
will fit.
something with phalani. We are not
Phalani, I'll
letting you.
take. Phala, I'll
Bhavya,
take Bhavati.
Prathama, in the first column, read all the subjects. Okay. Then the
Krishakaha.
verb also see. You should match the subject and verb. Then see the objects, what they are. Okay. That will be
Okay.
easy. Now, Krishakaha, you have done. Chatraga. Chatraga, Palani will not suit. Bhavati, maybe.
Yeah,
Gajaga.
Bhavati Palan. Gajaha also, I don't think it will.
Mahila and
Mahila, I'll
Shikshakaga.
take.
Shikshakaga, Palani will not suit.
Yeah.
Chatraga and Shikshakaha, they will not suit. The left with is, you see.
Bhavati only, ma'am. I think
Bhavati.
Bhavati. Bhavati,
Bhavati.
Palaihi.
Ah.
Palaihi.
Kim kartum shaknuvati.
Bhavati, Palaihi. Prayanam kurvanti.
How
With
can
fruits,
she
I
do
think.
prayanam? You know what is the word for prayanam?
Prayanam is travel.
Travel. And what she will
Along
do with
with
the
fruits, she will travel.
She will travel with Palani.
Okay, no.
The flights will not take you. If you have edible things, they will offload you.
No, which word, ma'am? Patayati, no? Jalam pibanti, no?
Then first one, what is the third column?
Yeah, Ganapati Pujayatu. Pujayatu.
See, the moment you say Bhavati, Bhavati is a person in front of you, and Pujayatu is you are requesting.
Your do.
Yeah, Bhavati.
Oh,
What is
Bhavati
the word
Patatu.
for
Kripaya Patatu.
plural? Palani, Tritiya Vibhakti, what is?
Palaihi.
Bhavati.
Okay, Bhavati Palaihi. Ganapati Pujayatu.
Ganapatim Pujayatu. Ganapatim, there is a bindu. Ganapatim Pujayatu.
Pujayatu. Okay, now I got it.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Adya dinam Sayangale Bhavati evameva karotu.
Yeah, then I think I'll get.
Bhavati Phalena Ganapatim Pujayatu.
Yeah.
Bhavati
Phalaihi Ganapatim Pujayatu.
Pujayatu.
Pushpaihi Ganapatim Pujayatu.
Pujayatu.
Bhavya Bhagini Phalaihi Ganapatim Pujayatu. Pushpaihi Ganapatim Pujayatu. Pujayitva
Palaihi prayanam na karotu.
Ekam
Avagatam va?
photo
Bhavya
Anetu.
avagatam va?
Yeah,
Anetu.
avagatam Mahoday.
Astu. Anya Lakshmi Begini vat.
Gajaha Tundani. Tundaihi Jalam. Oh, Gajaha Tundaihi Jalam Pibanti.
Tundaihi jalam
Jalam
pibanti.
Pibanti.
They
Gajaha
drink
Tundena.
water with the tusks. Yes.
Trunk.
And
Gajaha Tundena Jalam Pibati.
jalam pibati. Yes, Malini Magode. Bhavati vadatu.
Mahila Lokayanaihi Prayanam Kurvanti.
Samyak.
Mahila Lokayane Prayanam
Lokayanena.
Lokayanena Prayanam kurutha.
What is the lat lakara of kuru? Karoti.
Karoti.
Mahila
Lokayane
prayanam karoti. Mahila
Lokayanaihi prayanam kurvanti.
Samyak. Godabaini.
I think
Next
Mahila
one.
Pushpa.
शिक्षकः पुस्तकैः पाठयति.
एकवचने वदतु.
शिक्षकः पुस्तकेन पाठयति.
सम्यक्. So केन नपुंसकलिंगे बहुवचने by with what? The question is kaihi. Like pullingavat. Kena kaihi. Strilinge kaya kabihi. Right? These 4 prashna words and these are the formats. Kaihi. Balakaga kaihi kridanti. Balakaga kandukaihi kridanti. Yuvatyaha kaihi malam rachayanti. Yuvatyaha pushpaihi malam rachayanti. Janaga kaihi prayanam kurvanti. Janaga vimanaihi prayanam kurvanti. Got it? Please read these sentences again and again and change them. Balakaha kena kridati. Balakaha kandukena kridati. You can change this into singular also, right? So that will be a good exercise so that you won't forget. Now, this is the mixture abhyasa. We will do it quickly. Please each one do sentences or 3, maybe 3. Bhavya, start.
Yeah, we start the class with Prarthana Shlokas. We start. We is Vayam. Vayam Prarthana Shlokena Kaksham Arambam.
Slokas it is given.
Slokas. Okay.
Yeah.
Shlokas. Vayam Prarthana Shlokaihi. Okay. Shlokaihi. Shlokas Shlokaihi. Vayam Prarthana Shlokaihi Kaksham Arambam Karotu Kurmaha.
Vayam kalu. Vayam is asmat shabdaha. Kurmaha. Vayam Prarthana Shlokaihi Kaksham Arambam Kurmaha. If it is singular, Aham Prarthana Slokena Kaksham Arambam Karomi. Right? Right?
Yeah.
So you try to change in Ekvachane and Bahuvachane. Next also, you all drink Panakam with cups.
You all.
Yushmat Shabda. Yushmat Sarvanama Shabda.
Yum is you all. No,
Yeah.
Yum is we all. Tvam, yuvam, yum, aham, avam, vayam.
Is you all only, no? You all only.
You all only, right? Yum. Yeah, yum. Panakam. Panakam with cups.
You can say Panakam.
Yeah, yum. What is cup? Chashakena. Chashakena. Yum. Chashakena. Panakam.
Chashakena is singular kalu and it is cups. What is the Bahuvachanam for Chashakena?
Chashakaihi.
Yes.
Yeah, Chashakaihi Panakam. Drink is will be Pibami. No,
No.
Pibamaha. Pibamaha.
No.
Yoyam is in the
Madhyama
Madhyama
Purusha.
Purusha.
Okay.
So you are requesting or you are
Patatha.
ordering or you are telling them.
Patatha. Okay. So Pibatha.
Pibantu.
Pibatha. Oh, Pibantu. I'm telling them. Okay.
So,
Oh,
Pibatu.
Bhavantaha.
no, that one. No, they use Bhavantaha, that's why it's Pibantu, ma'am. But
Yeah.
if Bhavya Bhagni used Yuyam. So,
Okay.
So
So
Pibatha.
Yuyam.
what is the word
Pibatha.
for Yuyam?
Pibatha.
Huh?
Pibatha.
Pibatha?
Pibatha,
No.
correct.
No. Huh? Pibathu. Is it Mahapranatha?
Pibathu.
No. What you are
No.
telling?
What is
Yuyam is
What is the?
Pibatha. Big tha, no?
Yuyam.
That's what I'm saying.
This is
No, not
Mahapranata. Mahapranata.
Pibata. Pibata. Regular ta. Not
Pibatha.
Mahapranata.
Pibatha.
Yeah.
No, no, ma'am. That is not correct. Pibatha is not correct because Pibatha becomes Lat Lakara,
Lat Lakara.
and if this is Agnya, so it will be Pibata, the regular ta. Because the Madhyama
Pibata.
Purusha is Piba, Piba, Pibatam, Pibata.
Pibata. Okay.
I think.
So you all here it is Bhavantaha Chashakaihi Panakam
Pibantu.
Pibantu. Because you are in plural, you all drink Panakam Pibantu.
Because they use Bhavantaha, ma'am. That's why Pibantu is correct.
Yeah. If you
But
use
if I used
Yuyam, then
Yuyam,
Pibata.
Pibata.
Yuyam is Madhyama Purusha, then it will be Pibatha.
Yeah,
Not
it is
Mahapranatha.
Yushmat.
Mahapranatha.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Madhyama Purusha is Tha. Pratama
We are
Purusha,
doing Agnya, no?
Pratama Purusha Ta. It is not Agna. Bhavan, Bhavat, Bhavan, Bhavati.
It is that is the Agnya, no? You
See,
all drink. Please drink.
Bhavan
Please
is
drink.
separate and Yuyam is Yushmat Shabda.
Yeah.
Correct, ma'am.
So here if you use Bhavan, it is better to use Bhavan here.
Yes.
Because it is wrongly given you all, then Bhavantaha also it means you all. But here it is, since you all given, you generally go for Yushmat Shabda. So Yuyam Chashakaihi Panakam Pibatha Bahuvachane. Okay, next.
I'll do it singular, ma'am.
Yeah.
Tvam chashakena panakam
Piba.
piba.
Because
Yeah, piba.
you.
Tvam. Yeah.
Tvam
Piba.
is Piba. You are ordering. Tvam Piba.
Piba. Okay.
Tvam Pata. Like that. Okay, next. We decorate houses with lamps during Deepavali.
B is Vayam. Vayam decorate. Alankaram, no? Decorate is Alankaram. Houses is Gruham. Lamps is Deepena. Deepena. Deepavali. During Deepavali, I don't know what is during Deepavali. Okay.
Deepavali Samaye.
Deepavali Samaye. Okay, we can do Deepavali Samaye. Vayam Deepavali Samaye Deepena Griham Alankaram Vayam is Kurmaha. Welcome.
Yeah, Kurmaha.
Kurmaha,
And
welcome.
Deepena, you said singular.
Oh, Deepaihi.
Deepaihi.
Deepaihi. Yeah. If I say
So,
aham, so if I have to say aham,
It is houses, Bhagni. It is houses. So you will have to change that also.
gruhe.
girhani. Grihe
Grihani.
is ek
Griham
grih,
is
kalu?
ekavachanam.
Griham,
Grihe is
griham, grihe, grihani.
Girhani.
Griham, yeah. Aham, aham, grihe will come. Grihani. Griham
But
will
when
come,
you
right?
say you will not have so many houses. You will have one house. You can say aham.
Griham. Yeah.
Griham.
Griham.
Kena alankaroti.
Deepena.
Deepena
Pena.
alankaromi.
Alankaromi.
Kada.
Deepa.
Deepavali samaye.
Deepavali samaye.
Aham Deepavali samaye.
Griham.
Deepena alankaromi.
Deepena alankaromi.
Yeah. Samayaha aditaha bhavati. Lakshmi Bhagini, Shigram vadatu.
The Vanarasena does bridge building with stones. Vanarasena. Vanarasena bridge setu. Oh, we see. Vanarasena Shilakanda is stone, correct?
Shilakanda.
Shilakhandaihi setum. I don't know, build. Nirmanam karoti. No, karoti. Vanarasena Shilakhandaihi setum nirmanam karoti.
Next one.
Cooks cut vegetables with knives. Pachati. Cook is pachakaha. I see. So cooks is pachakaha. Sasyani, vegetables. Sasyani.
Sasyani is not vegetable. Shakam.
Oh, shakani. Okay. Sorry. Paka. Okay. Pachakaha. Pachakaha. Sorry. Pachakaha. Shakhani. Churukaihi. Churikaya. Oh, churikaya. So churikabhihi. Is it churikabhihi? I don't know.
Kartayanti.
All forgotten words, man. I'm trying not to see the answer there. So
me too. So
that's the best way. Otherwise, I'll never be able to learn.
Yeah.
Okay, you will practice this at home. Okay. And without seeing the answers, practice. And now we are going to see Yavat Tavat. Yavat Tavat is as much as one can do. Yavat Tavat, so long as. Yavat Himalayah Bhavati, Tavat Hindu Samskritihi Tishtati. As long as Himalaya stays, so long the Hindu culture stays. Yavat Tavat, so long as. Yavat Suryaha, it is not Suryaha, Suryaha, Dirgha Ukara. Yavat Suryaha Tishtati, Tavat Samskritam Virajate. And as long as the sun is there, Samskritam will be Virajate, shine.
Shining.
Saha yavat kadati, tavat eshaha na kadati. As much as he eats, and that saha is pronoun, and eshaha is also pronoun. As much as he eats, this closer to eshaha na kadati. Saha is faraway person. Eshaha is closer, if you remember what we learned.
Lesson
Saha
1.
yavat kadati, tavat eshaha na kadati. This person doesn't. Suvarna, sorry?
One question, ma'am. When
Yeah.
we use saha yavat khadati, tavat yeshaha na khadati, in place of saha yeshaha, can we put the noun, the names?
Yeah, name. Ramaha yavat kadati, somaha tavat na kadati.
Okay, ma'am.
Suvarnasya yavat mulyam, tavat mulyam rajatasya nasti. The gold, as much as the gold values, that much value rajatasya. Rajat
Silver.
means not
Silver.
silver or copper, anything, the other metal. Okay, it has no value. So this is yavat tavat, as long as, so much as, that fits. Now the subhashitani. This we have seen already.
Yes, ma'am. We have done
Yes,
this
ma'am.
before.
We have
This is
seen
chapter
this.
6 every time.
Karyani na manorataihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. This is udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha.
And some of the other books, sometimes they have Mukhe Pravishanti Mugrugaha also is there.
Yeah, you can change. In Sanskritam, that's the beauty. You can, aage piche, you can shuffle the words, but the meaning will be the same. So, Mukhe pravishanti mrigaha. Kaga mukhe pravishanti. Kaihi mukhe pravishanti mrigaha. Mrigaha mukhe na pravishanti. Okay. To whose mouth?
Simhasya.
Simhasya.
Yeah.
Simhasya mukhe mrigaga na pravishanti. When?
Suptasya. Simhaha.
Suptasya. If the simha keeps on sleeping or keeps on sitting, so suptasya simhasya, suptasya simhasya. It should ring a bell. What is suptasya simhasya? What vibhakti is?
Shashti vibhakti.
Shashti vibhakti.
Ekavachana,
Yeah,
not Vachana.
Shashti
Shashti
vibhakti.
vibhakti.
Suptasya simhasya. Kasya?
Simhasya.
Simhasya.
Yeah.
Again kasya? Suptasya simhasya. Pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. Like what? Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi. People, udyamena. So, quietly sitting and thinking in the mind, I want to be like that, I want to have this, I want to have that. Siddhyanti, they don't do any action. Manorataihi. This manas is ratam. In Bhagavad Gita, it is, it is described as a running horse. Chariot. So, in this, manas is running like ratha speed, horsepower speed by all imagination. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na. They don't do any karyam. Whatever you want to achieve, udyamena, whatever you want to achieve, by simply sitting and imagining, your manas is running like a ratha, that doesn't help. Siddhyanti karyani. without doing any karyam, that doesn't lead you anywhere, like nahi suptasya simmasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. When a lion simply sits and just thinks about its prey, its food, it will not come and land in its mouth. It has to
Although
go
it's
for,
the king of jungle.
hunting. It has to run, look for here and there, and then pounce upon its prey. Then only it gets like that. People just manoratehi na siddhyanti karyani. They cannot attain. That is the Subhashitam, beautiful Subhashitam. It is in the Pravesha book also, I think.
Yeah.
So this is the recap of, we have so far learnt the kakaras. Prashna kakaras. Kaha ka kim, va kim, kati, kada, putra, kasya, kena. These are all. Now, when we say kaha, what do you mean by kaha? Kaha ramaha, yeshaha ramaha. Ka sita, yesha sita. Kim pustakam.
Pushpam.
Yeah.
Tat
Kim
pustakam.
pushpam. Tat
Pustakam.
And va. Va is a tag question. Huh? Bhavati itra.
Bhavati malini va? Na. Aham malini na.
Aham malini.
Malini.
Na aham malini na. Aham bhavya. So va is a tag question.
Main tag question of our class. So Kim is Napumsakalinga. Question. Generally, Kim we use more widely.
Kim kuroti.
Bhavati Kim karoti. Bhavati Kim kadati. All that we will ask. Kati. Kati is
how many?
Bhavati Kati. That is time. Pancha. Aham panchavadane uttishtami. Pratakale ashta ekadasha kati balakaga santi. Shat balakaga santi. Kada means when. Bhavati kada patati. Aham kadabi na patami.
Kadabi na patami.
Na patami, ma'am.
That is not true.
Only Saturday the books.
Prati bhanuvasare varge eva
अहं शनिवासरे प्रातः शनिवासरे मध्याह्ने पुस्तकं
उद्घाटयामि
उद्घाटनं करोमि. At least it is better for me. It's in the night on Saturday, so I have all day Saturday to think about it.
Patitavyam. Smaranam kritavyam. Smaranam kartavyam. Ataha vayam yavat patitavandaha tavat vismaramaha. Hello. Vismaramaha. Ataha patitavyam. Grihe api patitavyam. Smaranam kartavyam. Kati. Kada. Kutra. Kutra we all know. And kasya. Ramasya. Sitaya. Dasharathasya. Balakasya. Kena, we have seen. Balakena, Balikaya, Nadya, Pustakena, Ityadi. So this much we have learned. Please keep all these things. And Nama Pada Vishaya Sangraha. See, this is how we have to learn. Vishaya Sangraha, Prashnaha Kaha Ke Karta Ramaha Ramaha, and karma Ramam Raman.
Raman.
This is Ramaha Ramaha Ekavachanam Bahuvachanam Pratama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti indicates karma, Ramam Ramana. This is Ekavachanam Bahuvachanam. And the Tritiya Vibhakti Kena Kaihehi Upakaranam Ramena Ramaihi.
Kaihi.
Kasya Kesham Sambandham. This is Shashti Vibhakti. Ramasya Ramanam.
Ramana.
Ekavachanam Bahuvachanam. Kutra Stalam
Saptami.
Rame. This
Saptami
is
Rame
Saptami
Rameshu.
Vibhakti. So you have
Rame
studied
Rameshu.
Pratama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti,
Saptami.
and
Saptami.
Saptami.
now Panchami is
Panchami
there.
also we have.
Panchami and
We already
Chaturthi.
finished. We finished all the things. No?
Chaturthi and
Chaturthi
Panchami.
is
Chaturthi
Rame.
and Panchami we have to do. Right? We have to do Chaturthi.
Ramaya. Ramaya we have.
Ramaya,
Ramaya,
Ramat.
Shivaya.
Karnabhyam.
So, and
Ramaya,
again, this is
Ramaya.
Strilingaha. Strilingaha, Sita, Sitaha, Sitam, Sitaha.
Sitaya,
Ekavachanam,
Sita,
Bahuvachanam, Sitaya, Sita Bihi. This is what today we learned. Sitayaha, Sitanam. This is Shashti.
Shashti,
Sitayam, Sitasu,
So,
Saptami. Now, Ikaranta Strilinga, that is Ka, Khaha. So far we have seen Pullinga, Ka, Khaha, Karta, Nadi, Nadyaha, Karma, Nadim. See the Dirgha and Raswa, it makes a lot of difference. Please note that. Nadim, Nadihi, Karma. Nadyaha, Nadya. So, Tritiya, Nadya, Nadibihi. Nadya, Nadibihi. And Nadyaha, Nadinam, Shashti. And Saptami is Nadyam, Nadishu. Though it is Strilinga, because of the Nadishu, Shakara happens because this Nadishu. And this Akaranta Napumsakalinga, we know Palam Palani. And Napumsakalinga Vibhakti Rupani Saralameva Asti. So that is easy. Palena Palaihi, Palasya Palanam, Pale Paleshu. Kriyapada Vishaya Sangraha. We see the Lakaras. Pratama Purusha Patati Patanti. Uttama Purushaha Patami Patamaha. This also we know. And Pratama Purusha, this is Bhavishyat Kala. Patishyati, Patishyanti, Patishyami, Patishyamaha. The moment you see in the verb that Shakara, Shanmugavala Shakara, we can associate with Bhavishyat. Bhavishyat Shakara is there, so in the verb also Shakara, Patishyami. And Kriya Padani.
One doubt, ma'am. It is the last class. Nindati future is what, ma'am?
Nindanti.
Nindishyati.
Bhavishyat Kala.
Nindishyati.
It was there in the homework. For that, okay. Tumun pratyaya, how it forms, ma'am?
Ninditum.
Ninditum.
Oh, Nindishyate. It is Nindishyate.
Nindishyate is Bhavishyat Kala. Bahuvachanam. Nindishyate. Bahuvachanam.
Nindishyante.
Nindishyante is Bahuvachanam. Nindishyate, Nindishyati.
No okay. Nindishyati, ma'am. There's
Yeah.
no nindishyati.
There is no nindishyati.
No, is
I
it a dual? Is it dual?
I doubted like that, so I
No,
left that column like that.
nindishyatau nindishyate. Dual you would not have learnt so far. Nindishyati, nindishyanti.
My question is the ninda is Parasmaipadi or Atmanepadi? I think
It
that's
is
what Malini
Parasmaipadi.
Bhagini is asking.
Parasmaipadi.
Also, it is
Nindate is
Nindishyati.
Atmanepadi. Nindate
Huh?
is Atmanepadi.
When it becomes te, it becomes Atmanepadi.
Nindate
No, I
is
understand that.
Atmanepadi,
No.
Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am, I understand that. My question to you is just like how Pathati, Pathadhatu is always
Parasmai.
Parasmaipadi,
Ah.
Nindadhatu is Parasmai or Atmanepadi.
It is
That's what I was
Parasmai
asking.
or it can be Ubhayapati also because
Ubhayapadi,
Nindate Atmanepadi form is also there.
We did know Ubhayapadi the other day, last class. Did we not do last class?
Yeah, Ubhayapadi we did.
We did
Ubhayapadi list
Ubhayapadi.
mein Nind word dhatu is there. We have to check.
Ubhayapadi. I will check. Okay. That is
Vand
what I was
dhatu,
asking because
Vand dhatu is Pakka
Atmanepadi.
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 Whereas Nind is Ubhayapati or Parasmaipadi, we have to check.
I see. Okay. And Malini Bhagini, you were asking, I thought you said Nindishyate is what you were asking.
And Nindati, I was just asking Nindati, the future tense of Nindati.
That's what if it is Nindati, okay.
That was doubtful.
Will it be Nindishyati, ma'am?
Nindishyati.
Nindishyati.
If it
and
is
Tumun will be
Parasmaipati, if it
Ninditum.
is Ninditum, Tumun is Ninditum.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Ninditva,
many questions.
Ninditum, Tva
What
Pratyaya,
page
Tuman.
number, Bhagini, to this time's homework? Do you remember? In the Bhasha
So
Pravesa,
this
right?
is the 294 page of
Not Bhasha.
Vakya Vyavahara.
Okay.
That was there in the homework, so I left out that column. I mean, I couldn't.
I know, it's so much of like go back and forth, look here and there.
So
I
when the
think that,
future tense came here, I just remembered that and I asked ma'am.
wait.
Okay,
Okay.
now Kriya Padani, this is Agnya Pratana, Lot Lakara, Patatu, Patantu, we know. This is called Lot Lakara, Agnya Pratana. That is all. So, please do the homework. Please keep writing and looking at the slides, writing sentences in singular, change into
And plural.
And
Yeah.
one more
Nindati,
word, ma'am.
Malini Bhagini, the likhati, just like likhati, nindati is given. So that means that is Parasmaipadi. So
Parasmaipadi, it
nindati,
could be.
it is Parasmaipadi, ma'am. It says here.
But
And then it becomes
future tense will be
Nindishyati.
And Grihnati, ma'am. Grihnati, another word.
Grinhati.
Grihnati.
So Grihishyati.
Grihnati. How it should be said in future tense? Bhavishyat Kala Rupam. Grihnati.
Gachati Gamishyati. Grinhati. So will it be Grihishyan? No, this is wrong, I know. I know it is Grihitum. Is it Grihitum?
Grihitum, that is
correct.
Tumun. Grihitum.
Then Grinhati is Grihishyati. I wrote Grihishyati. I think that is wrong.
I have written Grihitum and the future is
Grihitum is
Correct.
Grihitum.
Grihitum is correct. Grihitum is correct.
Grihitum is Tuman Pratyaya.
They're asking both, ma'am. In the homework, it is the table is that you have the
Bhavishyat Kala Rupam and
they're
then
asking
Tumun
for
Rupam.
Bhavishyat Kala and Tumun Pratyaya. Tumun.
Vartamana, Bhavishyat and Tumun.
Grihishyati, Grihnishati. Grihnati is Latulakara.
Right.
Grihnati.
Correct.
So it should be Grihnishyati, Grihnishyatu, Grihnitum. Grihnitum is Tumun. Grihnishyati it should be. Or Grihishyati, I don't think. Grihnishyati. Or it is not a special verb also. Grihnishyati it should be.
Like pashyati, draksha,
Pashyati is drashtum.
drakshayati,
Drashtum.
drakshayati, drashtum. Like that,
Drashtum.
drakshayati,
Tuman
is it
pratyaya
any
is
different?
drashtum.
Yeah, is it grihnati also like that? Drakshati, like?
Grihnati, I don't know. It is a special verb. Kuru, shak, all those shrunoti, these are all special verbs. Grihnati is, let me check.
Okay.
Grihnati
I'm
is a
checking,
special
ma'am.
verb. Yeah.
I will also check. I've also written, but
Whether it is a special verb or normal verb, we will check. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any more questions?
Grunati is special verb.
Grihnati. So then it should be Grihnitum and Grihishyati. Then it should be Grihishyati. Let me check.
Grihishyati. Okay. Grihnati,
It should be,
grihishyati.
I am not sure. Let us check.
Okay.
Okay.
I will check in it now. I'm just checking.
Okay.
So,
Yes, 167.
Prarthanaya Vargam Samapayamaha. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Hari Om. That's it.
Dhanyavadaga.
Madam,
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Grihnati is
Punamilamaga.
Grahishyati. Grahishyati. I have not heard that word.
Sorry?
గ్రహీష్యతి.
Ma'am said just now. Grahishyati.
Grahishyati. Grahishyati is what I'm getting.